go. Me a go.
You know, so Renee link me and make me know, say, yo, you see the first time she fly in her life.
Batman! By your tongue where she land. She said, all road boulevard, not so long. Got the long story short.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Man say, yo, Renee said the first time in her life where she fly, upon your tongue where she land. She said, old road boulevard, not so long. Jesus. Peace. Your tongue like that whole road, bro. Boulevard. Yo, no stop. Be not lying, no man. No stop tongue up the wire. And batty up the wire. And fish up the wire. No stop them thing there, man. You see me I say, but yo, that was a shot though. Me can't even lie. Come in.
There's a jam before boom drop the song himself. You never suck a pussy right finger, shoot them up. Watch him a hold on him. All when me properly.
Already bung. I gotta go watch that. The video that I dropped for Boom Sundays with DeMarco Pavard. I gotta go rewatch that. I ain't see that part. When the dog say you're rate and if you don't do so put up here now. DeMarco, me and down that. I gotta go rewatch that.
I show nobody can't walk through the back of my door. Gun me, I'm serious back way when she come off at the phone. Renee, move, make me shot your pussy.
Oh shit. I'm serious back way when you come off. I'm serious back way when you come off at the phone. I'm serious, I get this, bro. You see me? Hey, China, you can't go use an iPhone no more, no better. You don't want to see me now like you.
To the back of my door, gun me, I'm serious back way when she come off at the phone. Renee, move, make me shot your pussy off her nose. I no C-section when me
oh
shit.
The man say, Renee, move. Move, make me shot your pussy off of the boy nose. Boom, man. But me like, man, I jump past on all the beats, bro. I jump past. God, I don't look up it up, people say, never kill nobody, yeah, lie, no matter. Hey, really bad.
Phone, Renee, move, make me shot your pussy off her nose. I no C-section when me a plaster the road.
Jaja. Man say, my shot Renee, pum off of the DeMarco nose. Man say, I know blast. Hey, go on.
The code conspiracy, me a part of the ghost. No normally boss, you know straight the whole of my valley know. Why you think me than
man say conspiracy theory. Me a part of the ghost. The man say, yo, conspiracy theory not come with my youth. And me are the ghost writer. And me. So hold on there, man. So hold on there. Conspiracy theory come with. Me a part of the ghost. So what you try to say? Capital did write song for Coyote. Wait. You say, so Capital writing for you is conspiracy. You're part of the ghost. I mean, say you're a ghostwriter for somebody. And if you're not a ghostwriter, if Capital was a ghostwriter for you, you was part of the ghostwriter team. Capital was a ghostwriter for somebody, and you try to say for Coyote. Let me say you're the ghostwriter for Coyote then. And that you try to say, yeah, try to say on YouTube. Say no, clarify your words, you know. That means you just throw Coyote under the bus right there, you know. That means say you ghostwriter for Coyote. And that you try, oh shit,
them kick him off at the bush. Cause the girl them say you long tongue, Annie. Them take them clit kiss you. Some can say you feed dead kaya fish.
Whoa! The man use the Marco Falling Soldier style. The man say, girl, them say, your long tongue and them use it. What are the man use the Marco Falling Soldier style?
Them say, your long tongue and them take them clit kiss you. Some can say you feed dead kaya fish.
Man say, the Marco, the girl, them say, your long tongue and then use them clit and kiss you there. Oh my gosh. Oh my goshish.
She not be worried cause your long tongue are the tissue. What's the issue? Why?
Man say your long tongue are the issue, are the tissue. She not be worried. You know what, go on.
You know I'm 2 flower on a pussy jaw. All milk from CV and me drink with a straw.
How are the weird. Man. Hey man say you need 2 pound of flour and a pussy jar. You man say I milk from CVM and need your drink without a straw. Oh my gosh. Oh my goshish. I walk on. I turn actor right now. Oh my goshish.
All milk from CVM and drink with a straw. Remember Paul catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca higher.
I know DeMarco, you have a dirty appetite, my yo, that nasty brother.
Mad girl, mama son attack, sir. You need 2 flower on a pussy jaw. All milk from CV and you drink with a straw. Remember who Paul catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca higher, mad girl, mama son.
Calm down.
Oh, weird. How much girl man I bring you man say who Paul catch it on your tongue, DeMarco. Come on, can't have the whole industry better. come like, yeah, I'm have the whole industry, bro. I walk one. No, you can't go on saying a lie, my that this you know supposed to do them thing there. At all much is at this rate. That's crazy.
Even when me a play, me know me nah bow. Girl, them a say you cocky nah walk tall tongue. Get a data feed the game, everything installed now.
Girl, them say that you can't say what the go see now work dog the thing now. Oh gosh.
I make it clap out, tell the crowd the real breeze, it make you walk so. Big off cuss, kick off bus, flick and chuck, me can just.
Wait, what the real reason why you walk so? Don't tell me no. Hey, Shay, no? Behave, Shay, no? The man say tell the world the real reason why you walk so. DeMarco. Is there something you want to let us know?
Me and gun, me fit and scope, kick off four. What visa, the steed that drift release, I keep speed and no need for the sport tools, no see logic, sketching my heater clip.
Oh shit, man, talk about visa, this and visa that fi style me. But can't talk about the things them. Come in.
We bought him out like Visa Smith Johnson, no see magic. Scatter the beat a sick, dog in a see
my man say question like a visa slave. You see me, John Cena, we don't see. You see, we don't see Maggie. Blow that scary, come in, man.
I hope I say, yeah, I'm 2 flower on a pussy jaw. All milk from CV, me drink with a straw. Me hope I'll catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca, your mad girl, mama son attack, say. Yeah,
oh my gosh. So much people name like Rene, Opal, Maca, Diamond. How the Marco? The Marco man say you have a community tongue, brother. The man say you oh gosh. Man say you have a community tongue. Man say you have a towel tongue. Man say you have a boom. Man say you have a... Me done.
I'm 2 flower on a pussy jaw. All milk from CV, me drink with a straw. Remember who I'll catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca, your mad girl, mama son attack.
That's crazy. That's wild. That's a wild accusations right here, you know, dog. Oh, go on, DeMarco, you got to come address this, buddy. You have to address them things, man. No, Joe, them things are serious. These are some serious allegations. Here's some alliterations and all allegations, them. Yeah, man, you have to go address this. Yeah, man, hey, Shadow's good.
I mean, I said the world ready zone. I mean, I said Brown's Hall, you know it going no killers, you know. I mean, I said Marvally. I mean, I said Samakan. Pussy them a big up a place I know how we don't want to see them though. The idiot them.
Yeah, the market wants to say, yeah, big up Samakan, but Samakan not like you. Samakan now I hear from you, my own man say, stop big friend, bro. Stop big friend, I am like Samakan, you see me?
That's the whole Joe Blaine, Spanish Town, Mobay. You know what going on, New York, Duppy them boy. Canada, England, all world. Feel it Duppy this, hear that?
Oh, boy, climb and say, I hear Duppy. Man, I tell Canada, New York, and the whole world. So, DeMarco, your duppies belong to hims.
Oh, yeah? This our nation. Yes. River.
You know, like a for the body. Yeah, big clash in the bed. I can't tell them about God, but come on, man. Hey! Hey, yo. Where that for? Yeah, come on. Hey! Yeah, this is my memories. Never give nobody you to lie them and tell. They boy, never. I want to come on, man. This rhythm is crazy, bro. Hey. I never know how to do up on them beat, bro. The legends and the icons are on this one. I often do nothing, bro. Hey. I like that. Love that for the culture, history. They bring a part of history alive with that still. Love that shit, you know. You see me, I say, gang, we know nothing about the one. They want the bad still. I like it. You see? I like a dad, man, jump back on the whole time, beat them. You see me, the throwbacks, bring back some memories. So niggas can go do research and look up them, beat them. And anytime, look on them, read them there, and watch you, pan it. These songs are going to pop up too. So it's a smart move on both, Smart move on both. I will say smart both on move. What the fuck? Well, yeah, man, smart move on both sides. Keep doing your thing, man. Love that. Keep doing for the culture. Yeah, man. Dope look. It's a good look. Yeah, man. Big up the dog them. You see me? I say I like the one a lot. You see me? Big up to Shano. Big up to DeMarco. You don't know. Gang, let me know what's your favorite part. You see me? If you like a show that and love and support, make you know so Jambisco dancing. You don't know what time it is. Next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot at selector.